After months of leaks, rumors, and speculation, Apple has officially announced the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. They are the most expensive new iPhones yet, with prices starting at $999 for the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro with 128 gigabytes of storage and $1,199 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max with 256 gigabytes of storage. Apple hopes its upgrades are significant enough to entice upgraders to spend that kind of money when the phones go up for pre-order on Friday and become available in stores on September 22. Here are the biggest changes and new features in this year's Pro iPhones. The iPhone has had a ring/silence switch since the very beginning, and the iPhone 15 Pro finally changes that. The switch has been replaced with the action button. By default, just press and hold the button to toggle between ring and silence, just like the switch used to do. You'll get haptic response and animation in the dynamic island, but there are a number of other modes available too. You can set the button to launch the camera, start a voice recording, activate an accessibility feature like launching the magnifier or flashlight, or running a shortcut. That last one is especially exciting as it means you can quickly perform complex actions or even just launch any app you want. Apple has replaced the stainless steel body with grade 5 titanium, bonded to an aluminum internal structure. This should be just as durable, but is much lighter. Apple has reduced the border around the display too. The display is still 6.1 inches for the Pro model and 6.7 inches for the Pro Max, but the body of the phone has shrunk a little due to the smaller bezels. The smaller body and titanium enclosure make this the lightest Pro iPhone ever. The iPhone 15 Pro weighs 6.6 ounces, while the Pro Max weighs 7.81 ounces. Compare that to 7.27 and 8.47 ounces for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max respectively. In fact, this year's Pro models weigh only about 10% more than the non-Pro models. As previously reported, Apple is replacing the Lightning port with USB-C on all iPhone 15 models. On the Pro and Pro Max, it's a faster USB 3 connection offering up to 10 GBps of bandwidth that allows you to, for the first time, shoot ProRes video directly to an external drive. With new materials come new colors: black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium. All colors have a new brush texture. It wouldn't be a new Pro iPhone without a new A-series processor. While the iPhone 15 will use the A16 Bionic introduced in last year's iPhone 14 Pro, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max get a new system on chip dubbed the A17 Pro. Naturally, the new cameras are backed by new computational photography features aimed at improving color and low light clarity. One neat new trick is the ability for the camera to recognize people, dogs, or cats in frame and record depth information along with the standard image, so you can go enable portrait mode on that image later in the Photos app if you want to. Later this year, the iPhone 15 Pro will get a software update that enables the recording of spatial videos, which use both the wide-angle and main cameras to shoot immersive video, meant to be viewed on the upcoming Apple Vision Pro. Do you think the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are worth the price? You let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.